Look, this man is named Alan. He is walking toward us with a mysterious briefcase. Is it full of cash or some hidden treasure? Let's find out. Actually, it's FILN, a professional manufacturing factory with customization available. Check out our professional indicator lights in all sizes. Full-size metal, push-button switches up to 20 amps. And rocker switches, withstanding up to 30 amps. We have been in this industry for over 20 years. Top quality straight from our factory. Link in bio.